Monday, October 6th, and I have been really deficit on making videos for you guys. I think at this point it's now almost 2.5 weeks when we haven't had a video, but the reason is Dad was finishing up his gardening, and so there wasn't too much activity in the whole month of August. He only worked about 20 hours on the equipment, so there's nothing I could really show you guys. But I've been gone away for a week now because I had some doctor's appointments down in the city, and he's already painted this machine. I took the windows down to Winnipeg. You're going to see a video on that, and I think it's, if I remember correctly, it's Southside Glass in Winnipeg. And he could find us the glass that we needed. Dad was able to save some of this glass, but there was a lot of broken chunks. And one of the other things Dad had me do when I went down there is he wanted these guys to have new seats. So I went down to Princess Auto and I managed to get 3 of the last 5 seats they had. So it looks like he's already installed them. And they're brand new, comfy seats. One's for the driver and 2 passengers, obviously, but he's already got that installed. So these are the seats that we got from Princess Auto right here, and they are deluxe industrial fold-down back seats, and I was just lucky to get them. It was a good deal. So Dad was busy installing that, and he's been doing some painting. And if you can tell, this front grill's painted, and it looks like he's already started on the black painting for the rest of the machine here. And that board there, he's got that cab reinstalled there, and it's painted. And then the grill's back in place for in front of the rad. And the battery box has been fixed and painted. So there's not, I don't think, too much left on this machine for him to do. Might be doing some tinkering on the diesel engine, but this was what the customer wanted. He wanted to get into a condition where they could sell it. And so my goal here was hopefully having Dad actually complete this one and then immediately finish off with the other one. And he hasn't started with that one yet, but the glass that Dad wanted, we had to order it in, so we're waiting on a few pieces of glass to come back in. The guy will give me a call, and he said the glass he could get, but it was the rubbers. So by the rubber I mean it's that gasket that goes around the window, and so he had to get it in. And we got hit with a double whammy. One is Trump's tariffs, which is everybody in the world is repivoting on, and that stuff's coming out of the States. And we got a Canada postal strike that actually just started up here as well. But as you can see, Dad is in these final stages here.
We got to clean the inside of that window.
Yeah.
Put the windows in. These 2 back ones.
Okay.
This is all done. And I got some wiring to do, and it's ready to go.
Good. So what Dad may end up doing here is, while we wait for the windows, he might pull this one out, and then we might have to pull that one out and then just switch spots, because if we paint on the other one, we're going to need to be next to the furnace just so it can cure. And so
take the cab right off and put
yeah,
it on sawhorses.
So he's been busy for the last 6 days while I've been gone. Well, I've been gone a week now. So yeah, it's nice to see this come to closing in, but it's one of those things. We wanted to get those windows done months ago, and we took them to the local guy here, and then Dad went to go pick them up, and the guy hadn't even looked at it. Whereas when I took that glass into the city in Winnipeg, right away the guy was on it, like within an hour, ordering the proper glass. But he said the gasket might take a little bit longer. So I can go back down in a couple weeks. I got another doctor's appointment I want to do. I wasn't able to get glasses, so that's, I guess, the doctor's appointment I need to do. I had 2 dental appointments because I had a cracked tooth and I had to go to the optometrist. But yeah, it's looking absolutely gorgeous here, and Dad's going to keep on continuing on. Do you have any more painting you have to do, or is this done now?
Painting's all done.
Okay, so he's
See
put.
how good this looks when you,
There you go. Yeah. And so made out of plywood, so you can check it easily with, and it'll be secure. You'll have one for this side as well that he's got, and
I gotta get you to run the decal machine, because to drain oil on this, you have to remove this plate,
okay,
and then you open the valve there and put a tray underneath, and that's how you change
okay.
oil.
Well, we can use the decal machine later on to put all that on there.
Decal some of the stuff inside.
Yeah. So Dad says he still has to do some more wiring in the front here, so we're going to clean up the dashboard here. Dad's going to do some rewiring and just get that cleaned out. But I think the customer is going to be happy with this, and then yeah, it'll be for sale. And so if you're looking for a Bombardier Muskeg Tractor, a diesel, this one's for sale. And then we're going to have that one, it's going to be a gas, so you'll have your choice. And October 6th, like I said, and we're Dad's busy in the shop, but also got some snow today, which is a couple weeks earlier than normal, but pretty happy with what's going on here, and we'll check on with you guys in the next video.